What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the game I created for my final project. Well, it's kind of like the big project that we do in like my course. So, well, there's one more that's going to be bigger, but that's just because we're not doing work experience. But usually this is the biggest like project we do. So I just want to show you what I did for the past like 6 months, maybe. Obviously, I wasn't working on it the entire time. I basically just did this all in like the last week, but we were meant to be working on it for the past like 6 months. But so yeah, so let me just show you guys. Okay, so first thing that we have is a customization page, which I just noticed that I do not have I don't have a song playing here. I really should have. What a shame. But it's too late to change it now. But as you can see, there's like you can change, and then like, sometimes the drag works, sometimes it chooses not to. But like you can usually drag the face there. You can't change the beard. You can't give the you can't have a lady astronaut though, or a lady robber or something. I don't know. Yeah. So there you go. Do I want to go with that, or shall we go with something else? Let's go with that. That looks horrible, but let's go with that. And then options are just high, medium, low. Return. Did we just figure out a bug? I think we just figured out a bug. Oh no, it actually crashed. Oh, well. Then I'm not quite sure what I can do about that. But yeah, well, it should have saved anyways. But let's just make it, I don't know, John Wick or something. There you go. Or Agent 47. And then I'm gonna do a one player, just cause. Well, I may as well do two players, show off everything. But as you can see, here is, so basically this is a hub level. It was like previously gonna be a maze, which is why it's so like fleshed out. As you can see, there's a whole like top layer. The lighting's not very good up here, but I wasn't really bothered spending too much time on it after this became the hub level. So yeah, the lighting's not very good, but I wasn't quite sure how to fix that. And then I just, like, basically it's just a playground of unused assets. That's what this level is, as you can see. And there's also the guns here that you can pick up. If you press F, you can pick up guns, and then you can shoot them. And then there you go, the player just died. And then if you just press down, the key will get up. And I didn't add an if there. I'm missing an if. Basically, as long as the player doesn't die straight away, he should be able, because I think his score doesn't actually go up from here now. That shouldn't be happening. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I'm not quite sure why that happens, but it's fine. It's fine that it does. I think it just doesn't change the player level to the hub. But it's fine. Okay, so let's show off Football Frenzy first. Football Frenzy is probably the simplest one. But Football Frenzy did take a... Well, Football Frenzy was the original. So Football Frenzy, basically... The point of Football Frenzy is just to try and score against each other. So, like, you shoot there. As you can see, the points go up. Then the player... You can like dribble. And the ball has like 0 friction, so... Depending... So, basically, like... I assume, I never tried, but I assume that like it would be fun to play with two people and just have the ball bounce around the arena, and like when you score, it blows up like Rocket League. Yeah, it blows up like the Rocket League animation or effect or whatever you like to call it. The reason the ball goes in like certain directions and they seem kind of random is because they are kind of random, because the player collision isn't actually his body parts, it's actually a capsule that's stuck on the player, so that's why like sometimes you'll hit it and it'll go flying to the right. But I really do like that effect. I like it so much that I use it multiple times. And if you press the right D-pad, you can see the scores, which aren't actually updating. Huh. I wonder why that is. But yeah, the player... Yeah, that's very curious how it isn't updating. There's a bunch of bugs that I hadn't noticed before, which isn't good. And also, wait, this is like an old version, I think. I think it built an old version. Oh, sugar. Yeah, I think this is an old version of the game that I've built, which is why it's so buggy. Yeah, but like usually this stuff. I have another version. I'm gonna try and build the other version because like it should all work. I don't know. It's very strange. Okay, then let's try Watch Your Step next. Yeah, that's very strange. But like the one that I have in the editor has like all those bugs fixed. Gosh, I don't know. That is very strange. But basically, the purpose of this one is for like you to just avoid getting down. Like the more blocks you destroy, the more points you'll get. Basically, the objective of it is trying to stay up as long and destroy as many blocks. I mean, as many like hexagons as possible. And then, okay, what's the next one that I should show? Let's show 1v1 me, bro. But yeah, all the bugs that you see, like not calculating scores and shit, it's all fixed. It's all fixed. Like, trust me, it is. Let me just test. No, that one works. Yeah, so like all the bugs are from somehow. I don't know how, but like all the bugs that you've seen are like basically stuff that they're just like from the old game modes, because like those are like the Football Frenzy one is like the last one I fixed. So I assume somehow, some way I didn't like export it properly, or like yeah, I exported a different version because I cloned it because there was a few build errors. So I assume that's what happened there. I hope. So I'll fix that up real quick after this. Yeah, so basically the objective of this game mode is to it's for the two players to like shoot each other, and there's also like guns down here that you can pick up. And where is this guy? This guy is ooh, that I don't know how I wasn't hitting him there. But yeah, that's basically the whole point. Is as you can see, the more shots that you shoot, the better you're. Yeah, the more shots you shoot, the more points you're gonna get. That's basically the entire like game mode here. Obviously, like their objective is gonna be to kill the other player, but their healths are super high. Their healths are super high. So it takes like 30 body shots to kill them. It only takes a few like headshots though. So if you're actually good, it shouldn't be a problem. It takes like 5 headshots, I think. And with pistol, it takes like 3, because pistol does like 110, and they have 500 health. Even though, well, those things don't add up, but it basically takes like 4 or 5 to kill with the pistol. Then the last one is probably the one I did the best work on. And again, like this was a group project, so I didn't do all this by myself. Like probably like 80% of the coding was all me. Probably more like 90, but like the maps and stuff for like the last one that I showed and this one were created by me, but the coding was it's just that we also had a group report to write out. So basically I was assigned the job of just finishing the game, and my other 2 partners were given the job of like writing the reports, which I much preferred not doing. So yeah, basically this one is like Splatoon, and depending on the amount of players that you have, it'll like give different colors. So like the next player should be yellow, and then the other one's gonna be green. And every time you shoot the wall, it'll like minus the other player's points, because you're like taking over their territory basically. So yeah, that's basically it. But it was a really cool game, and I think I really like the final result. And as you can tell, it calculates like over time. And it's very interesting how player 2 has like double the amount of points. But that's basically just because I think player 2 survived longer or something. Like there's a calculation that's broken in the like the level where like you fall down. There's a calculation that's broken there. So yeah. But yeah, that's it. There's a lot of bugs in this version for some reason, but like all those bugs were fixed. Most of them. But yeah, that's it for my showcase of Blockout. Or no, it's not called Blackout. It was called Blackout for quite a while, but it's called Block Party. So yeah, that's it. And obviously you can press control or whatever button I assigned it to on the controller. And oh yeah, we also had a really bad bug with like the ragdolls and the jump pads, but I just made it so that they wouldn't like interact with each other if he was in ragdoll mode. Yeah, it's really cool. And if you press B, obviously, to flex on your opponents, if you press B, you can emote. I'm actually not sure what the key binding was for that on. Ooh. Oh yeah, look, this is a bug that I fixed. Yeah, I'm really not sure what's going on with this version of the game, but it's very brokey. Okay, so just back for a little update. I did forget to say that the link to the game will be down below. Well, it'll be a Google Drive link, so you have to download the entire file. Sorry. But yeah, so the link will be down below, and also fix all the bugs. It was just like, for one of them, it was literally the fact, like for the menu, it was just the fact that I had an infinite loop. So basically, it was constantly setting itself to visible and then setting itself to visible. And then, yeah, so basically that's what caused that crash. And then the goal, basically the way I did it is I had two goals, and I basically had different logic for the two of them. And I just forgot to copy over the adding score logic into the blue one. And for the ragdoll, like respawning, like the player was like flying away, that was basically because I didn't do a check to see if the player was dead before actually running all that code. It now runs perfectly, because, you know, it should. But yeah, that's basically it. Fix everything, like, subscribe, and share, and this is your boy, Cool, and I'm reporting out.
And I don't know why I'm running. First they let my guys in. First time that we